Welcome along to the next episode on Having the Crack. We're back on the Mk2 Escort rally car that we started in the last episode. In this one, we have put the front arches on and the front bib. So let's go and see the process of how we did it. Go. Right, since the last one, so you just finished off the bits at the back.
Put some bracing on the Watts Link towers.
So if you can remember back on the first one, we were just welding in these little plates in there.
Yeah, just straighten them up.
So they're done.
I put some little boxes in for the
Anti-roll bar?
Anti-roll bar, that's it.
I knew what was on the back.
Anti-roll bar to go in.
So we've done that.
Cleaned up the blue floor. Just got to clean the rest of it really. What else have I been doing?
More on the front end. Done a little bit on the front, haven't we?
Oh yeah, put the doors on and the wings on.
Let's flip them over and have a look. We've got some wings on.
Got some wings on, doors are on. Gaps are
workable.
They're good enough. Got a
good enough to roll over.
Oh, definitely. Give it a good try anyway. We're just going to start putting the suspension in now.
So that's the
see
plan
where the
for
wheels
today.
line up, and then get the arches on, and the bib on today is the plan.
What arches have we got? What arches are we going to fit?
Some tarmac arches.
Tarmacers.
So yeah, the plan is to get these riveted on, in place, get
and
the bib on.
Chop those up a bit, yeah?
Get those chopped up a bit.
So that's our plan for today.
Easy.
Front arches, bib.
Oh, so we've fitted the track control arm and the tension strut bits in, just so we can get a shocker in.
Yeah.
And then we can get the wheel on and then line up.
Line it all up.
See where we're going. So I've measured it sort of off my old car over there. See if it's close enough.
Yeah.
We should find out in a minute.
Strutting your stuff.
Strutting our stuff. We've got some high quality struts here.
What we just found around the corner. So.
Don't need anything special.
No, it's just
only old rally car, isn't it?
Just for position.
Just to position it up. Right, he's in. Let's put the wheels on. Big brakes are fitted. Big brake pack.
That's those new APs, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh mate, get on there. That looks really good.
Is it really nice?
Really good.
Lovely jubbly. We ain't got a caliper this side. Is that a problem?
That's the even bigger brake kit this side.
Yeah. No brakes. Wheels on.
Wheels on.
Let's go for a drive.
I'm just gonna jack the wheel up in the arch, get it where you want it, and then we can have a look
it straight. See where it sits, isn't it?
Just there.
It sits there, mate.
Hey, that's a vintage.
See what my lungs are like. Close enough, innit?
I don't know.
Near enough's good enough, innit?
I don't know. How many of these have you built? How many Escorts do you reckon you've actually built?
Couple. Few. There's one over there. Broken.
The one at the bottom. The old rally one.
I built a couple. I built a few.
Built that one. And the cool
corner. And rebuilt a few of the same car.
Yeah. That's how you do it, isn't it? Put them on.
That. There.
Mark one up. Lovely manoeuvring with the drill.
Oh, you like that?
And that's when.
Oh, this is what we got.
One of the Dewberries. Is that what they're called?
Yeah, Dewberries. I don't know what they're called. Clecos.
Who?
Clecos, I think they're called.
Clankers.
Clecos. I could be wrong.
Let us know what they are. Because thought we were professional, didn't we?
Who said that?
Definitely not us.
Clico.
Clico and that.
That's the name we're going with now, anyway.
Yeah, that's what they're called. Even if it's wrong, that's what they're called. How do they work?
Oh, I should have showed you. I could show you on there. I'm not taking it back in. Basically, it's got little edges on there. You push that through and then pull it back and it tightens it up and all. Yeah. Basically. Basically, mate. Oh no.
Oh no. What is it?
A drill bit.
Ah.
Got some drill bits?
Yeah. Yeah. I have.
Have you?
Yeah.
Lucky we got a legend in the house. I've broke all the drill bits.
That's right, I'll go and get mine. I'll raid my own van. My own personal stuff.
Oh, good lad. There he comes.
Got some.
I've been just let down with my mate.
Well, Ernie.
Good lad. Let's get back to work then, shall we?
Yeah, might as well. What's rare?
Let's drill it in, mate. Oh, what a nice drill bit.
Sharp. Unlike the operator.
Like a dream.
Like a dream. I haven't heard a dog anywhere, have you?
He's gonna get a headbutt. Do you want a headbutt?
I've got the arches on now, I've done the other side as well.
Archie!
Have a look at the old bibberoonie.
I'm just down here.
You're the expert.
Bit of shaping to do first.
Put a centre mark on the front panel. Centre mark on the bib.
Bib.
Where?
Just there.
There.
That's all we need. We'll just drill it all. Get some debris in it.
Oh, we're back on doobies. We forgot what we called them already, have we? Right, so the arches and the bib are on-ish.
On-ish?
On-ish. So they're in the correct position.
Ish on.
So
Yeah, near enough.
We're just gonna what we're gonna do now?
Well, take the wheels and suspension off.
Yeah.
Scribe around the inside of here.
Yeah.
So we can find the inside. So when we take it all off, we can cut it out and then rivet it all on.
Take it all apart again.
Put it together, take it apart. Put it together, take it apart.
Done. So there's our little scrib line.
Scrape.
So now,
Cut it out.
cut them out. Oh, chopping up. Chopping up.
Chop it out.
Right, so when you're cutting the arch,
So we got our scribe line where it was up to the underneath,
inside edge.
inside edge.
Yeah.
So we're going to probably cut just beneath it so that we can fold the edge up,
Keep it nice and strong.
keep the wing strong.
So what do you want to leave about 10 mil?
Yeah,
Past? 10 mil past?
Yeah, about 10 mil past the line. And we can do a nice little fold edge. Keep it strong.
Didn't want that bit. Bend him on out, son.
It's not what this tool's for. It just gives you an edge to limit to.
the arch back on there, but it don't fit now. Job done. He's on there, isn't he?
Just the job.
Just the job.
Oh yes, fire some rivets in it. Main countersink them so they're as flush as we can get them.
Yeah.
But obviously if there's a bit sticking up, we can just flappy wheel it off anyway, so.
Make it look pretty.
Bit of spunk in there.
Oh.
Rub it down, job done.
Now, before we get to the riveting stage, the rivet gun is broke, but we've raided Noah's Ark and come up with the vintage one. Oh, look at that.
I think there's just a
but
rusty.
But rusty?
But rusty.
Rusty!
Just give her a clean up, see what happens, shall we?
So we've got to fix this one, fix the backup one. I don't think we've ever
Otherwise
been.
you're going to have to go and buy one.
Oh, we've got time for that.
Ain't got time for that.
Sorted.
Hopefully.
We good to go?
What the hell? Let's see now. Oh, it feels good.
Fire in a hole.
She's working.
Noah will be proud. What a
Fixed
dream.
it.
What a dream. Concentration.
Dreamy.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Only all those to do now.
No, that's it. Crack on.
We got Barry on the riveting.
Last one.
Looking good so far. Oh yeah. How's your riveting tool working?
Done. She's been a bit temperamental, but we got there. She's all riveted in.
Arches are on.
Lovely, lovely.
Just got to fit the bib up now.
Oh, well, we've got more rivets to do.
You love a bit of riveting.
Oh mate, I thought that was it. All the front end riveted across. Now just work on that corner, get them all lined up and riveted on. Same with this corner. And then we call it done. Just got to get a bit of a nice bend on the corners. So
Yeah, to make sure the bib looking the same. We're about to wrangle on that.
Chop them off.
Chop them off.
Cut them all in the fit nicely. Follow through with the drill. Swap to the larger drill piece. Countermeasures.
Without going through.
And then rivet them on. Beautifully done.
Professional tool.
Which bit?
Me.
Obviously. Magnifico.
Let's see how long it looks like that for. 2 minutes.
Two stages.
The first chicane.
On to the next corner.
Yes! Next corner.
Is that it after this one for the For the front bit then in arches, isn't it?
Yeah. Just got to make the back fit then.
How do I do that? That'll be another video.
We'll see.
Are we done?
Pretty much. Just going to go around now and grind the little edges off the rivets that are sticking out. Just smooth. Ready for some filler.
Filler? Filler? Done?
Done.
Done.
Done. Just needs fillering and then seam seal around the edges. And I might make something up here to make it look a bit more flowing, but yeah.
There we go then.
The riveting and stuff's done.
Arches on.
Archibald.
Bib on. So that'll be that then for today. Thanks for watching and following along. Next little bit for us will be getting the rear arches on, and then it'll be getting it prepped, ready for painting in the engine bay, in the boot, on the underside, and then through the inside of the car. So make sure you like and subscribe so you can follow along with the progress. So we are getting through this one quite quick, which is nice. So we'll see you on the next little episode. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.